Hello friends, today I have one beautiful music set from Smarkids. So let's try this. This is for some small, it comes in a small beautiful bag with good quality material, very nice. Let's open this and we have several things here. Wow. So this is, I will open everything one by one. So for the music set, it's really a good thing. Okay, so this, let's try opening it. Okay. So this is for the music. Quality of this is really good. Made up of wood completely. Let's try this one. Wow, really nice. So. So it's kind of complete musical set for wow. And then comes this one. Oh, great. And finally, the big one is this. So let's open this. Wow, this is so many things. Okay, and what is this? Oh, easy to use, nothing is there, so it goes directly. These are for hands. Like this. perfect for a music set. And these are small eggs. Only 2 eggs, simple. Beautiful, really good. So you see all these products, all these are complete musical set which will be quite good for any kind of kids. So, and it comes in a beautiful bag, so all the set in one place. So if you like this product, you can buy it from Amazon. I'll give the link in the description, and you can purchase directly from there. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel.